Once you're logged into Canva and have a pro account, you'll be able to use some of these tools and features with the pro icon. The first one is the brand kit. Super, super important. I already have a brand in here so you can see my logos, my color palette, and my fonts. But if you'd like to add a brand, you can click on Add New, Brand Kit, and I'm going to type in Balloon Boss Mastermind and hit Create. Now you can click on this Get Started, it can do some other stuff for you, but I'm not going to do that. I personally find that more complicated. I'm going to go directly to my brand logos and click on that. I'm going to upload some brand logos and click Open. And now at this point, I'm going to click on my color palette. I'm going to let those finish loading so that it knows what colors are there. I'm going to click, 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 click. And I'm going to click a few times. And what this is doing is it's pulling photos from the images above, trying to find for you the best colors. I don't know where it's pulling these purples from because I don't see any purples. Maybe they exist. I don't like this blue. I like this blue better, so I'm going to get rid of that. I don't like this green. I do like that. I don't know the difference here. That one seems a little brighter, so I'll keep this one, get rid of this one. And then I'll look at these two colors. I think that one probably looks better, so I'm going to get rid of this, get rid of the olive. I like white. Do I like this or this? I like this one, so I'm going to get rid of this or this. I like that one, so I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the rest of these. Now notice when I hit this button, it pulled it pulled colors from the photos up here, and that took care of everything. Now you can also change your heading styles and your fonts. You can upload fonts if you're familiar with that or know what you're doing there. You just click on this and follow directions. Or you can click on the style, choose a font, and up here we can do something like serif or sans serif, and we can get different things up here. And I'm going to do serif bold because that makes a little more sense. And this chunk 5 or alpha slab 1 is a little closer to this balloon boss up here. And then I'm going to close this, and now I can quickly and easily pull these in to designs later on.